If you want to fly drones for work in the US, you need the FAA Remote Pilot Certificate. And to get that, you have to pass the FAA Part 107 exam. I'm Derek Ward with Raven UAS. I spent over a decade developing drone programs and training pilots in real-world scenarios. Whether you're a real estate photographer, a filmmaker, a first responder, or launching a drone business, we built the Raven Part 107 course for anyone who wants to be a professional. We designed a system where you can choose the best way to learn for you. It includes a complete online course, a downloadable ebook with printable lessons for taking notes, an 18-part audio companion so you can study on the go, and our AI tutor can help you along the way. We also include interactive practice tests so you can see your progress and know exactly when you're ready for the real exam. Everything is focused on what actually shows up on the test and connected back to real-world flying. If you're ready for a proven plan, check out the Raven Part 107 course at readiness.com.